Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing fruit cream perfect recipe. It's a very quick and easy recipe. Now let's get started. First we will be preparing the jelly for our recipe. I am going with the recipe on the box, whatever instruction is given. The exact amount of water you should take, nice boiling hot water. I am adding the 1 full packet of orange flavor jelly mix and we will be preparing jelly. This is the brand I am using, that is Laziza brand. You will get all over Canada, US, in any Desi market you will get this brand. It is very nice as well, not promotional. I am just sharing my personal review. Likewise, I am taking 2 flavors for jelly. I have just taken orange. Now I am preparing the strawberry one. You can choose any flavor of your choice and keep the jelly always ready ahead of time so that it needs time to set. Once the jelly cools completely, keep it in the fridge. It should be nice and chill and also firm too. Now let's prepare our whipping cream. For that I have taken heavy whipping cream, 1 full liter. I am preparing whipping cream with my stand mixer and the flavor I am going to give here is mixed fruit. So only gentle mild flavor you can choose, either vanilla, pineapple or mixed fruit like how I have. In stand mixer, slowly you can increase the speed. So every 2 to 3 minutes I will increase the speed. That way you can form stiff peaks. So even if you have hand beater, definitely go slowly, you increase your speed. In between you can see I am adding powdered sugar. Only 2 large scoop I have added. It will be approximately 4 tablespoons of sugar, that is powdered sugar. Do not use granulated sugar because powdered sugar will have little bit of corn flour also, which will give nice body to your whipping cream. Adding very little sweetener because fruits are already sweet and our jelly is also fully sweet. So you should keep your heavy whipping cream very mild in sweetness. Whipping this cream I took approximately 8 to 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes only. Now you can see I have taken fresh fruits, that is grapes, 2 different colors, and also to keep my job little easier I prepared it for parties, so I used canned fruit. It is a fruit cocktail. You will have multiple fruits in that also. Simply if you are making at home with local fruits, whatever you have, that also you can do. Always fresh fruits are more good in this recipe. Now nicely give it a good mix all the fruits in the whipping cream, and last and final we will be adding one more ingredient over here, that is pound cake. I have taken vanilla flavor. You can take any flavor of your choice. You can go crazy with your own ideas and with your own flavors too. This pound cake will give good thickness and good volume to your perfect recipe. Definitely you should add some tea cake or pound cake like this, so that our whipping cream will not become liquidy at any point. Even if you make this recipe previous day and keep for the next day party, it will be same thick and firm. Now I am using transparent glasses, you can see, for setting up this perfect, and also we are cutting our jelly like this way. I have just cut the jelly in small pieces to handle it easily. To go with simple quick way, you can simply add this jelly also along with cake and mix it up and fill up the glasses. But to give a beautiful and a very different look, I am preparing it a different way. Now I am getting ready with my piping bag. This is to keep my work neat and clean. I don't want any sides of the transparent glass to be dirty from any ways. You can simply carefully use spoon also to do the same job. Like this I will be layering 1 full layer of this fruit cream perfect and 1 layer of jelly, and again 1 more layer of fruit cream perfect and another layer of jelly. Like this way I will be giving layers. You can choose to have any flavor of jelly to give different look. If you have long glasses, you can also choose to have 3 colors of jelly, which will look more nice as well. Finally, I will be adding a grape on top. You can also add cherry and it will be a cherry on top for this dessert. This recipe is very quick and easy and very simple too. You will get loads of compliments whenever you make it. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.